This is my daughter's car got towed to our house. Luckily, she was driving on the street when it happened. It's about 5 minutes away from our house. This is an E90 2008 BMW 328i. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another DIY. In this video, I will be replacing the coolant hose, the one that goes to the cylinder head, to the thermostat housing. I will put a link, all the parts I used, in the description below. Coolant everywhere in the engine bay. This is the coolant hose that I will be replacing. There are two 10mm bolts that you have to remove. This is the part of the hose that broke off. The O-ring got stuck in the cylinder head. Make sure there's nothing else left behind. Unclip that to release the hose. Pull the hose from the holder. Use a flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to break it. Slide the hose from the holder. Oil leak. I need to replace my oil filter housing gasket. More DIY. I need to relocate my expansion tank to create more room. You need to remove two 10mm bolts. Be careful not to damage the hose connected to the expansion tank. That hose clamp is pain in the ass to loosen. There's not enough room down there. I'm glad I have small hands. I use this silicone spray before I remove the hose from the thermostat housing. It makes it a lot easier to come off. It's water-based and safe for all rubbers. I use this 6mm ratcheting wrench to loosen the hose clamp from the thermostat housing. I use this pry bar to push the hose from the thermostat housing. Be careful not to damage the housing, it's made of plastic. Grab your 6mm ratcheting wrench and look for that hose clamp. This is the hardest part in this DIY. Just take your time and be patient, and you will succeed. Now grab the silicone spray and spray the end of that hose, the one that connected to the thermostat housing. Grab your pry bar and start removing that hose. Be careful not to damage that thermostat housing. I tried to film where the hose located at, but I can't find a good angle for the camera. Finally, I got it off. This is the pain in the ass hose clamp I was talking about. I decided to remove the air intake snorkel for clearance. Remove 2 T20 Torx screws. My daughter bought me my favorite drink for working on her car. I use Scotch-Brite to clean that opening. Make sure it's clean enough to make a good seal with the O-ring from the hose. Compare the new hose from the old one. Make sure they're identical. Before installation, spray the O-ring for lubricant. Also, the bottom inside opening. I reposition the hose clamp when I'm installing it for easy access. Do not over tighten those 2 bolts. You will strip your cylinder head. Reinstall the expansion tank. Reinstall the intake snorkel. Secure the hose. If you like this DIY, please like, comment, and subscribe. More DIYs to come. See you in the next video and thanks for watching. Later!